And I think that the juxtaposition of that is very poetic. Yeah. Like every country has, but there are there's so many conspiracy theories and I don't know. I think the values that the film is trying to impart, the moral of the story, they are my values. Like I stand by what the film is trying to say, and I relate to it very deeply. And it's also very personal to me, Ranveer. And I can't really speak about this on any other platform, but I think I can with you because I feel you can understand it, and your viewers might understand it, because it's like quite a visceral, like meta kind of thought. And we kept talking through his writing phase of the film. And so Mahima, the character I'm playing, a lot of the situations she's in, the person that she is for like the majority of the film was based on, of like very closely borrowed from a phase in my life. And you can ask Sharan this, he'd attest to it and all of those things. And they're like so much so that there are certain dialogues that are like directly from things that have happened in my life. And so I'd keep sharing it with him, like giving him that insight, and he'd ask me and this and that. And so when I got over that phase in my life and I moved on is when I actually started shooting for this film. So it felt very weird to play a version of me that I now started judging. Like I would read the scenes and I wouldn't get it because Sharan would come to me and he'd be like, but you know how you were when this was happening? Like, why can't you just like, you know how you like just didn't know, like you were just happy with it all? And I'm like, yeah, but that doesn't make sense. How stupid of me. And he'd keep telling me, yeah, but you want this away. You need to unlearn the epiphanies that you've had, which was very difficult for me because I had so much hate for the person that I used to be. But it was incredibly cathartic to live through those situations. And right now I can stand here and look back and kind of be like, okay, I grew through it. But while I was shooting for it, there was a lot of like shame and disgust that I let myself be that person or be in those situations. Yeah. I don't know about creepy, but I definitely have an antenna for like male chauvinist, backward thinking energy. And that shit like pisses me off. Yes. And you can't judge them too much for it because that's their conditioning. They can't help it. They don't know any better. Yeah. It's not even as simple as that. Like I've met the wokest person on the planet. And even that person sometimes can have double standards without realizing it. No, but even that is a simplification. I think it's in small things like I don't know how to explain it. Like, I guess it does maybe come back to thinking that we've assumed this responsibility of being the providers, the caretakers, because they don't know any better. इतनी भोली है, इतनी बेचारी है, हमें देखभाल करना पड़ेगा या no, I love her, so I should tell her not to dress like this for her good, or even like a person being intimidated by an ambitious woman. You know, like सब बोलेंगे कि मुझे career driven लड़की चाहिए, but to really be okay with it is a completely different ball game altogether. And I think in India also there's a lot of like not just in India, all over the world, you assume a female to be this figure of like sacrificial, maternal, nurturing energy, and not as much importance is put on one nurturing themselves, you know. I'll give you a very simple example, and I sympathize with men too on this, because if there are gender roles for women, there are for men as well. If a woman is skipping on her job to be with the man she's with, I don't think people will object to that too much. But if a man is adjusting his schedule around to cater to a woman's schedule, I think automatically they'll be like, "Arey tu to matlab," you know. So I think society also doesn't allow men to be as open-minded as sometimes I think they would like to be. You know what? My solution to it is simple: live and let live. Like, just be accepting. Just stop judging. and I don't think it's easier said than done. It's pretty easy because I think it's pretty exhausting to judge other people, you know. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on it.